Hello and welcome to HotStone Media. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to change an air filter on a Honda Jazz. It's a simple job, but a lot of people tend to do it all wrong. There are 4 clips around the air filter box. You just have to unclip them. And the top cover of the air filter casing should come off easily. If it doesn't come off easily, that would mean that somebody had previously put the air filter in the wrong way around. Install the new air filter the right way around by using the shape of the filter as a reference. Then fit the air filter housing cover back on. As long as the air filter is fitted correctly, the cover should go in easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.